Hey guys, I just want to give you a little channel update, and this is not going to have any intro. I'm just going to show you a couple new things to my channel that you'll be seeing. A couple you may not because they're kind of down below the table. But for my 40th birthday, which was last week, the girlfriend and I went out to Micro Center, which was kind of a little birthday gift to me, where I spent some of my money, spent some of her money, and bought a few things to better suit my needs here and wants, of course. I guess you don't need everything, but more wants. So, nevertheless, let's get to it. First off, I'm going to just pan down here. I got this Asus ROG gaming mat. And this is kind of nice. It won't always be there, as you know. But I did also acquire this new mouse. This is Bluetooth or wireless. This has a nice little feel to it. It's kind of a nice portable wireless mouse. And I'm sure, let's see, what else did I get? I don't know. You've probably seen that in the channel. It's just a little She-Hulk bobblehead. And the other thing back here now, I have these new speakers, and these are by Logitech, and these are the G560s. They're decent. They come with the RGB. You can have any color there. Actually, on the back also, they do have the illuminating part there. So that's kind of nice. This one speaker can control on and off and the volume. Otherwise, you can download the Logitech G Hub, and you can control the lighting and some other various things in that. So the other new thing to the channel is, as we pan down here to the bottom, I did make this the shelving that goes all the way across from my toolbox, and it pans all the way just a little past. So this is the other thing that I picked up, which is the CyberPower 1500 VA. It's 900 amp rating, and that's the battery backup. So now I have two of them, one for this side of the room, one for the other side. And I do have the She-Hulk build attached to that. And so I do have another computer case here. Eventually I might build something in that. There is the subwoofer for the new Logitech speakers. The Logitech speakers also are 240 watt, in case you are wondering, and they're roughly $200 from Micro Center. This is, of course, the Kerry Holzman giveaway. You can see his badge right there. And I just got a little speaker down here for that PC in case I just want to listen to something on that for any reason. I did go ahead and pick up a strip. I think that's a 6-port strip right there. I just mounted it there. And so, let me turn this thing around here so I can see what I'm looking at. So last but not least, and the final thing that I did go ahead and put on this, what I'm very excited about. Worked on this for a few days, took a while to get some of the parts in and figure out how I wanted it done. But in the end, I think it turned out amazing. I don't know if I'm going to be able to keep it on while I'm shooting video because it can get bright, but we'll see. I went ahead and changed this color on the border to now like a purple. And it kind of goes hand in hand with this that I'm going to show you now. So what do you think of that? This is a piece of round plexiglass. It's a 16-inch. And I have LED neon strips on it. And there's two different colors. We got orange, and we have what's called like an off-white or a soft white. I could have went with the bright white, but I felt the soft white looked a lot better. Now, it's at its dimmest right now. I put a dimmer on it. So, you can see, like, the wire going across here. But, you know, and you can see, you know, some of the wires here that have to link up. Because these are, you can cut these. So, it comes in a roll of, like, 16 foot. And you just cut it to the length you want. There's only certain spots you can cut it in. If you can see here, you can see you can cut it here, or here, or here. And it's about every 2 or 3 inches you can cut it. So then I mounted a potentiometer right down here. And of course the knob is orange. I have a whole kit of those. But if we step back here, excuse the rough video quality here for shaking, but I can adjust the brightness, and it's hard to adjust to get it just a little lower, but I have to maybe tweak with it a little bit. But you can see there it's at its full brightness, and I think that looks totally cool. So anyway, we keep this down a little bit, and we will spin this around, and I think that's about it. I think that is what I made. This is going to be a little dark. I can kind of go like this. We'll get it a little brighter on me, because it's actually daylight out, and I usually shoot during the nighttime. So I have, you know, my ring light going on and a couple other lights. So this is kind of at its raw as I can be right here. I wanted to get this done quick, get it out, because I'm trying to do a video every week, but it doesn't always happen. But I'm trying my best. So I just wanted to give a little channel update, and I hope you found. I'm really impressed and found that sign. It took a while to make, but I even give credit to my girlfriend, and she helped me out. She is amazing, and she did most of the gluing. So shout out to her. And anyway, guys, that's it. That's gonna wrap it up for this. I can't think of anything else that I got right off the top of my head. Oh, there is one more thing I do want to mention, and I'm not going to be able to hold it up really decently here, but there's a blanket she gave me as a gift. And basically you can see the YouTube symbol on that. And basically it's just my logo. I wish I could hold it up and hold this at the same time, but actually, give me a second. I will. I'll put it on a tripod. I'll be back in just a jiffy. Alright, how cool is this? Now, it's hard to get in the shot because that's about as far back as the camera I can get the camera. So, we can see up there it says Plant Cryos. And then I'm going to kind of just fold it up here. And I'm going to lose you. Right there at the bottom, hopefully you saw it, it said a small world. Or, small world, from a far world. There you go. How cool is that? Anyway, till next time, guys. Take care.